Elizabeth. My name's Allona. Today I lost my tooth like 2 days after, and I had $20 and I got this. Let's open it. I open it because mine. Oh, look, we got a Pokemon card. Look, we got Pikachu. And look, we got dice. And look at these Pokemon sets that we got. We got Pikachu. Yeah. Well, it's Pikachu. Well, we got all of these packs. We got 4 packs. We got a few of these. Open it. I'm gonna open it first. No, these are wrappers to find the regular one. Okay, guys, these are the 2 maps right here. Let's just keep this right here. Want to do these last. Let's start off with the pack. How many packs are there? You do this one and this one. Okay, we're looking for a rainbow one. Put the cards down. Okay, we gotta put this way. We don't need this. We got one. No ribbon! Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Open it. We're looking for one of the rainbow ones. I got that there. What about we got that? Here, mommy? We don't need this. Wait. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh my god. Look at this one. This one got the 100% of damage. It will live. And look at this one that we got. We got this one that's silver, and it got that much. That's a lot. That's a special one. And now we got one of these. I think these are not the same enemy. And we got one of these, and I think it comes with this Pokemon card. Hey, it's my turn. It's fine, I'll just do it at the same time. And look at this one. This one's water. We got baby cotton. Put that one right here. I'm gonna put all the eye ones right there. Did you get any of these ones? This. Did you get any of these ones? Because the one that has those go right there. Okay, the water ones. Oh, you got that one. So we'll keep that one. We got a water for it. That thing comes in this style. Look, we got a lightning just like Pikachu that we got. Oh, wow. What is this? This is Professor Melody. She's for this one. Mommy. And we got one that has a hammer. This is lightning. Yeah, I think it's lightning. So we got another lightning. Okay, we got a fire one. Let's see. What is this, Elizabeth? This. We're gonna put all the items right there. So here's another item. I got an eye. She got one of these. How much percent damage? This one's very nice. And then I got this of 60. Okay. So this one has a few. I'm trying to open the other one. Yeah. Okay, now we're opening these ones. Comes in these cute little packs. Okay, open it this way so we don't see the Pokemon cards. Well, I think it's this way. Yeah, open it this way so you don't see the Pokemon cards. It's this way. I think, yeah, face it this way. I hope I get another of that. These right here, these are just fake things. They're just scammers. They're just scammers. Oh, I got the same thing, but Yeah,
like
she
that.
Get the same one.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh.
Where's the leaf area? The leaf right there.
Okay, we got this one. This one's a water one. We'll put it just with the vest. We didn't get the professor yet.
Olivia, put this
We
somewhere.
have the same
eye.
one.
I got an eye.
We have the same one that the other one was. Put it right there.
Olivia,
to
tell
light
me if
me.
it's special.
This one's a rare.
Put it in the rare pile.
She got a stage 1 of this thing. This is a rare. Put it right in the water section.
OMG.
Oh. So this thing comes with her divessor. Like that's the only divessor that we got.
Up.
Okay, we got a deer.
Surprise.
Which one did you get? That one. Put it with the hammers.
I really want another of this.
And look at this thing that we got. This one goes right here.
And I got
Another one of these.
another one. Ew.
Well, you have to put it down.
And
We got this one. Which one's that? Oh yeah, that one's a special. We gotta make a new pile for him. And now we got another water one. We got a regular.
I got a
Oh
my God.
You see this one? This one's a rare. That goes in the eye section.
I mean that.
Oh
Look
my
at
God.
this. I got a
What the heck is this?
Persephone.
Okay, let's see which one did you get. I think this is water. And we got this thing and another one of those. We got another item.
I got one of these. And I got a punch. There.
And look at this cute one that we got. We got this one. Let's see what she is. She's an eye. Oh, look at this one. We got one that's 100. Oh, it's a stage 1. She's also electric. We're gonna do Pikachu. We're gonna unbox Pikachu last. So what's all this? So these things right here. Let's see what these are. We're gonna open these last. We'll do that after. Let's find the ones that are like rare and stuff first.
Oh, got one.
The shiny ones. Yeah, that one. We'll put that in a different. Get us different sleeve. We're gonna put these in their sleeves. We got one in their sleeve. We're putting all like the
Specials in the sleeve.
yeah the glittery ones.
Did you get the deer?
Yeah, I got her. We're gonna find all the shiny ones. We got another shiny. Let's see, do we have any more shinies? We got 2 more shinies.
Slide.
That's what we think of. We got another shiny. We're just picking up all the shinies.
Put all the shinies right here.
Oh, I almost forgot we got this shiny. My favorite shiny.
Give me a shiny, Elizabeth.
Here's all the shinies. I just want to look for some more. Pikachu's also a shiny one.
Mommy.
Okay.
Hi.
Now we're gonna take.
Is this a special?
No, she doesn't glow.
Gotta put 2 at a
So
time.
all of these ones right here. We're gonna move all of these
Look.
right up here.
Yeah, look. Look. Special.
We're gonna put some of these. This is the special one of water. If there's another water special one, put it in this pile. We're gonna fold all the cards right here so we have room for our next card.
And
She's putting another one in there.
wait,
yeah,
is this a special one?
Yeah, that one shines. We got this one. Okay, which one did you put in the sleeve?
And
Here's all the ones that you put in the sleeves.
just need
This one's the only one that. Okay, we're almost all done. There we go.
Well, it's mine, so I get it today.
So
open it.
let's open it and I'll fold it for you, so we don't know what the heck. And I'll fold them both. and then you can get started yours. So happy we got Pokemon cards. If you didn't see my shirt, it has Pikachu and Eevee on it.
And we got Luke.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, they're trying to see it. YouTube.
Can't open this. So wait.
What about
this.
you make it so we each get the same amount?
Well,
Okay,
just wait. Don't open yours yet until I'm done opening mine.
Oh, this is a lot of Pokemon cards. I bet Elena's first one's gonna be special.
Yeah, we're probably going to get special ones. We already got a few ones. We didn't get any of the special ones yet, but we might get one. You never know when you get one. I think we got one of them. Oh yeah, we got one.
That's from the backpack.
We got this one.
Room.
Done.
Slide.
I think I got it.
Sneeze. Sneeze.
Our little sister's sneezing. If you didn't see one of our other videos, our other video we had her sister in it.
She was very little. Now she's 2. Come on, come to the video. They want to see you. She's playing with that.
It's not ours though. It's our friends that told us to babysit it.
It loves the cat.
Now
Can I pet it? Oh, where's her other? There's her other cat. Oh, it just hopped away.
It's not our cats though. Okay, ready? Let's go. Ooh, we start off with these.
I know.
Okay, we always start off with these ones, but now we want to flip it. But now we want to flip over the whole deck. That's how we just start them off.
Lightning!
I'm gonna flip over the whole deck.
Punch! It's like
Fire!
Jesus.
Eye. Okay, she's really getting them. Oh my goodness gracious. She's like getting all the elements right now. She's getting elements. Okay, okay, now I'm gonna go with mine. I got 2 of the same.
all
devices.
elements.
Okay, I got 2 of these. I think she's
put the fire right there.
this one right there.
This is so crazy.
This is
They're all elements.
Where is the stuff? Here's the stuff.
I bet you're gonna find a ring. But
Okay, I got an Avassar.
leave.
I know who she is. I'm just going to put her there. I don't really know these ones.
Fire.
Oh, I got a quick ball. Oh, I got 2 of them. Oh, I got a rare candy. Look, I got 2 of them. I got 2 rare candies. I got a level ball. Another level ball. I got Bruno.
Bruno.
Yeah, I also got, there's so many switches too. The scoop up net. We got an energy.
Hey, cheesecake.
Oh no, don't move in our step, baby.
Play the cat, Alana.
Okay, now all of our stuff is
There
mixed
she
up.
goes, running away.
I found some that
Fire.
elements. Ooh, I got one of the powerful ones. It's the star one's the most powerful one, and it's very hard to get a star one. I think we got a star one in here somewhere. Got another Devastator, another one, an energy one. Oh my God, we got the star. We got the star. We got 2 of them. Oh look, we got 2 VMAXs. This one, they're both the same ones. Oh my.
So you get a
God.
VMAX.
We can both get one of these. It's like there's 2 of them for both of us. Oh my God. We're starting off with a bunch of stuff. Hi, Missy. Yeah, I found someone to leave. We got the boss. Escape rope. Here, can you put down the plastic, please? I really don't mean it. Okay, I don't think there's any more Pokemon cards. Okay. Now all we do is got all these things. I don't think we have more dressers. And we got some more of this. Got more of this. More of these and more of these. And that's still my pile. I'll come help y'all. I'll help you out. Oh my god, it's just elements here.
Yeah,
We just got dang elements on this one. I gotta stand up very bad. Okay, we're gonna get this done very quickly. Because now 2 of us. It's very frustrating just putting dang elements in their dang order. Okay, I think we can do the elements later. Let's put down all the elements. We don't have any Pokemon cards, so no Pokemon cards. We don't want to scatter them, Missy. Here, let's put them down. Okay, we did all that. Put them in our sleeves. I think we have a few more things. Oh yeah, we gotta open up Pikachu.
My Pikachu.
Not just yours. I think it's special. Okay, we're gonna open up Pikachu. It comes with just one Pikachu, but that's okay because we gotta put it in a sleeve. You put that one in the sleeve, and I put this one in the sleeve. Bye guys, I hope y'all enjoy our video. Yep. We're like arrogant because we gotta put all of these in packages. Yeah. They're everywhere, scattered. Because look at how many sleeves that we got. And look at all the Pokemons that we got. Okay, let's see our favorite ones first. My favorite one are the most powerfulest ones. And I think I like this one that has 200 power. Because I think it's the one that has the most power. My favorite is this one and the Pikachu. And this little buddy. And this one. Definitely. She really likes you.
Not my problem.
Choose one out to be your favorite. Okay. She likes that one. And this one's mine.
There's another friend kid here.
Tell us in the comments what's your favorite Pokemon. Favorite Pokemon.
We'll show you all of them again.
These are all of our Pokemon. If you saw all of our Pokemon, you just show us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.